Come test drive the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, bucket seats. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.